Welcome back to Glow and Slim Eats. Today we're diving deep into how to get a slim body and glowing skin. If you've been struggling to lose extra weight, tone your body, or achieve that natural healthy glow without spending on expensive creams, then stay tuned. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step guide that will help you achieve both at the same time, slimming down and glowing up naturally. And trust me, if you stick with me till the end, you'll discover some secret drinks and foods that will completely transform your health from the inside out. So grab a cup of water, sit back, and let's begin this life-changing journey. Why slim body and glowing skin go hand in hand? When we talk about slimness and glowing skin, most people think of them separately: diet for weight loss, creams for glow. But here's the truth. The two are deeply connected. The food you eat, the water you drink, the sleep you get, and the way you move your body. These impact both your weight and your skin. When your digestion is clean and your metabolism is active, your body naturally sheds excess fat. At the same time, fewer toxins mean clearer, radiant skin. So, instead of chasing them individually, let's target both together with one powerful lifestyle system. Nutrition is the key. The first pillar is nutrition. No matter what products you buy, if your diet is not balanced, you'll struggle to see results. Here are some golden rules. 1. Eat whole foods. Choose natural, unprocessed foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and lean proteins fuel your body and help repair skin cells. 2. Hydration. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water flushes toxins that cause bloating, weight gain, and dull skin. 3. Reduce sugar and processed carbs. These are the biggest enemies. Sugar not only makes you gain weight, but also causes breakouts and ages the skin. 4. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids from foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and salmon keep your skin soft and support fat burning. Think of food as medicine for both your body and skin. Daily lifestyle and habits. Your daily habits play a massive role. Here's what you should include. 1. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. During sleep, your body burns fat and repairs skin cells. 2. Sunlight. 15 minutes of morning sunlight boosts vitamin D, which helps weight regulation and improves skin glow. 3. Avoid stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to belly fat and dull, aging skin. 4. Detox with warm water. Start your day with warm lemon water or green tea to flush toxins and jumpstart metabolism. Top 10 foods for slim body and glowing skin. Now let's look at some superfoods that work like magic. 10. Cucumbers. Hydrate your body, reduce bloating, and give skin a natural glow. 9. Avocados. Packed with healthy fats for glowing skin and help control cravings. 8. Green tea. Burns fat, reduces inflammation, and makes skin radiant. 7. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. High in antioxidants that slow aging and promote fat loss. 6. Spinach and leafy greens. Low in calories. High in vitamins for slimness and skin glow. 5. Lemon and citrus fruits. Vitamin C boosts collagen and burns fat. 4. Chia seeds. Fiber keeps you full. Omega-3 improves skin elasticity. 3. Turmeric. Natural anti-inflammatory. Great for metabolism and glowing skin. 2. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds nourish skin and suppress hunger. 1. Watermelon. High water content for hydration, low calories for weight control, and vitamins for glowing skin. Morning routine for slim and glow. Start your morning right. 1. Wake up, drink warm lemon water with a pinch of turmeric. 2. Do light stretching or yoga for 10 to 15 minutes to activate blood flow. 3. Have a breakfast rich in protein and fiber, like oats with chia seeds and berries. This combo boosts your metabolism, reduces cravings, and makes your skin shine from the very beginning of the day. Night routine before bed. 1. Drink chamomile tea or warm milk with turmeric. 2. Do a simple skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and sleep on a clean pillowcase. 3. Avoid late-night heavy meals. Instead, if hungry, eat a small bowl of fruit or nuts. Nighttime is when your body resets, so these habits ensure fat burning and glowing skin repair. Simple exercises. To get slim, you don't need to do 2 hours at the gym. Instead, 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking or jogging daily. Yoga or Pilates for flexibility and toning. Strength training twice a week for fat burning. Workouts or skipping rope if you enjoy fun exercises. Exercise improves blood circulation, which not only burns fat, but also improves oxygen supply to skin cells, leading to a natural glow. Mindset, stress, and sleep. Never underestimate the power of mindset. Stress leads to emotional eating, acne, and aging skin. Try these practices, meditation or deep breathing for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Journaling or gratitude practice for positivity. Sleep on time. Going to bed before 11 p.m. helps in natural hormone regulation. A calm mind reflects directly on a glowing face and healthy body. Secret slimming and glow drinks. 1. Here's some easy DIY drinks. 1. Detox water. Lemon, cucumber, and mint in a jar of water. Drink throughout the day. 2. Golden milk. Warm milk with turmeric, black pepper, and honey at night for skin healing. 3. Green smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, chia seeds, and almond milk. 4. Aloe vera juice. Clears skin and supports digestion. 5. Apple cider vinegar drink. 1 tablespoon in warm water before meals to control appetite. Achieving a slim body and glowing skin is not about quick fixes. It's about creating daily habits that nourish your body from the inside. Don't compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. Celebrate small wins, like skipping soda for a day or drinking enough water. Over time, these small actions will completely transform your health. So, if you want to see real changes, start today. Eat clean, move your body, sleep well, and smile more, because happiness itself is the best glow secret. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more natural health and beauty tips. And comment below, what's one healthy habit you're going to start today? I'd love to hear your answers. Remember, your body and skin are a reflection of how you treat yourself. Nourish it with love, and it will reward you with slimness and glow. See you in the next video.